Hi there! Today we have the newly launched earbuds from Oppo and it's called Enco Air 2. And these seem really interesting because it comes with 13.4mm drivers, it comes with app support, Bluetooth 5.2 and my favorite, low latency mode for gaming. Well, I can't wait to check it out myself, so let's quickly unbox them, see how they look, how they sound, so you can decide if you should buy these or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you're notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. Alright, let's straight dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Oppo Enco Air 2. Image of the earphones right here. I can surely say the packaging is really well done. Then towards the back are some specs, manufacturing details and the MRP of 3,999. Don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Alright, let's unbox it. So inside right on the top are the earbuds itself. We'll check it out in just a moment. A user manual in English. Oh, there's no USB-C charging cable. At first I thought it's missing in my unit, but then I saw it on the box. It clearly mentions one earbuds and one user manual. Alright, let's have a closer look at them. First thing, we get rid of the plastic protection on the top. Wow, that looks so nice and premium. The matte white finish looks so nice. The best part is it doesn't attract any fingerprints or smudges. Very nice. Weighs just under 40 grams and that too with the earbuds, making them extremely light and portable. You can easily fit them in your pocket. Very, very nice. Now if you look at the bottom, you can see there's a USB-C port to charge. Towards the back, it's got some details with the Oppo branding. Now the first thing to notice, of course, is the translucent lid on the top. Looks really nice. Best part is you can actually open it with just one hand. I really like this. It's got a nice hinge, doesn't feel flimsy or loose either. Very nice. So of course inside you can see the earbuds. Let's check these out as well. Okay, so these come with an open design and a stem. Very nice. The build quality is really good. Each of them weighs just 3.5 grams, which makes them really light. And if you look carefully, you can spot the microphone here as well as at the bottom. So overall, I can say a very good design. It's an open design, which a lot of people prefer because they don't like the vacuum effect. So I really like this. All right, let's quickly pair it. So to pair, the first thing we're going to do is take your phone and instead of going into the Bluetooth settings, we go to the Play Store. We download the Hey Melody app. This app is also available on the App Store for iOS devices. Once done, click Open, click Agree, click Add. Now you open the lid of the earphones and let it scan. And you'll see Oppo Enco Air 2. Click Connect. Click on Go. Finally click Pair. And you're done. That's it. Now this app actually has a lot more in store. We'll have a closer look at it. So right on the top, of course, you can see the image of the earphones. Then you can actually see the battery percentage of each earbud, left, right, and the case. Then you have Enco sound effects, which are basically preset equalizers, original sound, bass boost, and clear vocals. And all of these are kind of self-explanatory. Then coming back, you have earbuds control. So you have tap gestures on these earphones and you can actually set as per your preference for left and for right. You can choose it to play next song, pause and play. Similarly, you can choose for triple tap, voice assistant, game mode, depending on your choice. Touch and hold is for volume down and up. So this is a really, really helpful feature that you can actually customize the tap gestures. Very, very nice. And finally, there's also a photo taking assistant, which means you can take pictures from your phone camera by just tapping on the earbuds. Very, very handy feature. So overall, a really nice, simple, easy to use application. Alright, let's talk about the fit. But of course, first, we'll have to wear them. One down and two down. Okay, so they sit very nicely in your ear without snugging in too deep like we experience when we wear a Buds design earphone. It's actually got a really nice fit and it comes with this open design, and the biggest benefit of that is that it doesn't give you that vacuum kind of closed feeling. You can actually hear a little ambient sound around you, and personally if you ask me, I prefer this design as it feels more comfortable compared to the Buds design earphones. Again, that might be subjective. Then it comes with IPX4 rating, so mild splashes and rain shouldn't cause any harm. In fact, you can wear it at the gym or for a run without worrying about it falling off or getting damaged due to sweat. Alright, coming to the sound. Well, each earbud comes with a 13.4mm dynamic driver which sounds really good. The best part is that it gets very loud and it provides extremely clear vocals and mids. Instruments sound super crisp and the bass is pleasant. Now, you won't get that thumping deep bass what you get with the Buds design, but it's not flat either. In fact, if you switch it to the bass mode on the app, there is actually a good amount of thump as well. Then it has an option in the app to enable clear vocals, which would be ideal while listening to podcasts or watching movies. Dialogues will be very clear. I just wish they had an equalizer option where you could custom set it, but that would be nitpicking. Talking about movies, we did watch some movies while wearing these earphones and I didn't notice any lag or delay. Easily recommended to wear these while watching your favorite content. Then it also comes with low latency gaming mode, which you can enable by triple tapping on the earbud. And what better way to check than playing BGMI. Now, according to Oppo, in the gaming mode, it will reduce the latency of the audio to as low as 80 milliseconds. And it does a very good job at it. I used it for almost 15-20 minutes at a stretch and mostly it was lag free. The gunshots, the footsteps were all well in sync. Then you can control the music by using the tap gestures on the back of the earphones. Double tap to change tracks, press and hold to reduce or increase the volume, triple tap to enable gaming mode, and the best part is that you can even custom set these gestures from the Hey Melody app. Similarly, you can even answer and end calls directly from the earbuds as well. Talking about phone calls, firstly you can use either of these earbuds or even just one earbuds for phone calls. I tested them indoors and outdoors and the call quality experience was really good. It was loud, it was clear and audible both ways. Yes, outdoors sometimes it does capture some ambient sound, but it did not affect my calling experience. Here's a quick demo. Hi there, so here's how the mics on the Oppo Enco Air 2 are gonna sound. I think they're pretty clear. However, you're the best judge, so write down in the comments and let me know. Finally, coming to the battery life. Well, that's solid too. You get 4 hours of music playback on a single charge and 24 hours in total with the case. Of course, those numbers could vary depending on how you're using them. Gaming, listening volume, but still I can say that they should suffice for most users. So before I conclude, I usually talk about the cons, like I wish it had ANC, but again that wouldn't make sense since we don't have the price of the earphones at the time of making this video. But I can say it's got everything that you look for in a good budget TWS earphone, especially for those who want open design. These are comfortable, basic app support, good battery life, excellent sound quality and gaming mode. You'll find the price, availability details and the purchase links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!